Okay, good day, all the K1's parents and all the kids. Okay, so today, Laoshi going to record this video is about our international and society class. So, what country that we're going to talk today, which is Australia. Okay, today we're going to talk about the Australia flag and then all about the Australia country's things. Okay, but before that, Laoshi, we're going to review all the flags that we learned. Okay, so Laoshi, we're going to share the screen and then so we're going to show you the flag. Okay. Okay. Who can tell us what country is this? This is Thailand. Okay. Remember, this is our country, Thailand. How to say the greeting for Thailand again? Sawadee krab. Okay. Remember that. Thailand. Next one. What country is this? Malaysia. Okay. Malaysia. And then how we're going to say the greeting for Malaysia? Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Okay, this is Malaysia. And what country is this? China. Okay, this is China. Okay, how are we going to say the greeting for China? Ni hao. Ni hao. And the next one, this is Singapore. Okay, we have the corner over here have white under. Okay, Singapore. Okay, how are we gonna say the Singapore's greeting? Ni hao or hello. Ni hao or hello. Okay, this is Singapore, and this is Japan. Japan. How are we going to say the greeting for Japan? Konnichiwa or Ohayo. Okay, Konnichiwa or Ohayo. Okay, Konnichiwa. Next one. This is India. India. Okay, how are we going to say the greeting for India? Namaste. Namaste. Next one. This is the Philippines. Okay, the Philippines. Okay, how are we going to say the greeting for the Philippines? Kumusta. Kumusta. And this one, okay, this is the latest country that we learned last week is South Korea. South Korea. Okay, how are we going to say the South Korea's greeting? Okay, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Okay, is the greeting for South Korea. And today we're going to learn about what country is it again? Australia. Okay, this is Australia. Okay, so lastly, we're going to show you about the PowerPoint of Australia. Okay, so this is Australia. Okay, you can see this is the uh, landscape for the Australia. Okay, it's the sixth largest country in the world. Okay, so this is the landscape. Okay, so this is the flag of Australia. Okay, so what color you can see on the Australia's flag? Red, white, and blue. Okay, red, white, and blue. Okay, why we can see this one is come from England. Okay, the United Kingdom, because United Kingdom used to conquer the Australia before, and then now they already become independent, so they still have like related with the United Kingdom. Okay, and then you can see the star over here. You can see how many stars? 6 star is about the provinces of Australia. Okay, Australia. So three colors for Australia flag, which is red, white, and blue. Okay, so where is the Australia? It's over here. Okay, over here. So this is Australia and this is Thailand. Okay, when you fly to the Australia, it's take about 7 to 8 hours. Okay, 7 to 8 hours. Where's United Kingdom? Okay, this is UK. Okay, so it's related to Australia. Okay, United Kingdom. Now this is the Australia landscape. Okay, the world's sixth largest country. Okay, and then you can see. Okay, this is the provinces of Australia, which have Western Australia, Northern, South Queensland, New South Wales, Victoria. Okay, and then have the Tasmania Island. okay, and then have 24 million people live in Australia. Okay, it's not really much people, okay, because compare with the United Kingdom have 65 million people live there, so it's really less, okay, in Australia. Okay, the name Australia means south, okay, south, okay, because they used to uh, the people from the United Kingdom fly to Australia, and then they uh, use this name of south, okay, mean, okay, to make the name of Australia, okay, okay, 8,988 miles from London to Perth. Okay, this is Australia climate, okay, which is about the weather and the season. Okay, you can see the koala bear, okay, it's very popular in Australia. Okay, so it's most of the time, okay, is summer, okay, summer. Okay, so they are opposite with the United Kingdom, okay. If Australia is summer, the UK will be winter. If the UK is summer and Australia will be the winter because it's the opposite side. Okay, most of the time summertime is very hot and dry, and the summer is last from December to March. Okay, and then people celebrate Christmas on the beach because it's very hot during the December time. It's a summertime. Okay, so and in the desert, it doesn't have rain much, but in the north of the country, it can rain a lot. Okay, because it's very big. Okay, Australia is very big country, and then they have the desert over there too. Okay, so the northern part is most of the time have the rain season there. Okay, it's a wet season and have heavy rain in the land. We call that one monsoon season. Okay, same like in Malaysia or Thailand also have the monsoon season as well. In the north south will Victoria and Tasmania are the coldest area. Oh, it's the coldest area. Okay, this is the physical feature. Okay, it's the about the landmark. More of the Australia is made up of desert. Okay, the whole country most of made by the desert. Okay, and the temperature most highest is 50 Celsius, and the during the winter night is -10 Celsius is the maximum. Okay, Australia also have rainforest. Okay, and Australia because Australia is an island, it's the largest island in the world. Okay, so you can see around the Australia have a beautiful beach. Okay, and the river. Okay, the longest river in Australia have 1,558 miles long. Okay, which is Murray River and Australia Alps. Okay, the mountain. Okay, is the mountain, the largest mountain range. This is the popular landmark for in Australia. We call Uluru or Ayers Rock. Okay, you can see the changing color in the Australia. In when you go to Australia, you're going to visit this one Uluru. Okay, it will change color. Follow with the time. Okay, 348 meters high and over 600 million years old. It's quite long enough. Okay, the Great Barrier Reef, okay, the is the biggest coral reef in the world. Wow, and they have a lot of fish over there. Okay, so this is the capital city in Australia, which called Canberra. Canberra, okay, Canberra. Okay, there are also a lot of the large big city, okay, which is Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, and Brisbane. Okay, this is the places. This is the country of city also Alice Springs. Okay, Melbourne, Perth, Sydney, and Brisbane. Okay, Sydney is the oldest city in Australia. Okay, it's a very popular city. Okay, I thought this is not a capital city just now. Capital city is Canberra. Okay, and then have the landmark in this city, Sydney, which is Opera House. Okay, it's very popular, and the Sydney Harbour Bridge also is famous. And this is the wildlife, which is about the animal in Australia. Okay, which we can know is koala bear, okay, kangaroo, emus, okay, and the peppers. Australia is also home to a lot of dangerous creature, which is spider and the snake. Okay, they are poisoning. Okay, so you also have to be careful when you go to visit in Australia. Okay, that's all for our Australia. Okay, so how we going to say the greeting for Australia again? Okay, you're going to say hello in Australia. How are you going to say hello in Australia? Okay, hello is the greeting word for Australia. Okay, so that's all for our international and society class about today, which is Australia. Okay, how are we going to say the greeting? Hello. Okay, how many color you can see for Australia flag? Three colors. Okay, which is red, white, and blue. Okay, so that's all for our class, and thank you for today.